Welcome to our channel. If you want to read crypto charts and make informed trading decisions, follow this quick guide to understand key technical indicators. Step 1. Understand candlestick charts where each candle represents price movement over a specific time frame. Green candles indicate price increases, red candles show decreases. Step 2. Identify support and resistance levels by looking for price points where the cryptocurrency has historically bounced up, support, or been rejected, downward, resistance. Step 3. Use moving averages like the 50-day and 200-day lines to identify trends. When shorter averages cross above longer ones, it signals potential upward momentum. Step 4. Monitor trading volume shown at the bottom of charts. High volume during price movements indicates strong conviction, while low volume suggests weak trends. Step 5. Learn the Relative Strength Index, RSI indicator that measures momentum. RSI above 70 suggests overbought conditions, while below 30 indicates oversold conditions. Step 6. Recognize chart patterns like head and shoulders, double tops, triangles, and flags that historically precede specific price movements. Step 7. Compare multiple time frames by analyzing daily, weekly, and hourly charts to understand both short-term fluctuations and long-term trends. Step 8. Practice reading charts on free platforms like TradingView without risking real money until you're confident in your technical analysis skills. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.